Hopefully cocky Alok doesn't go away. That sounds little sus, but anyway, let's do this, huh? Guys, it's Alok Hegde, and in this video we'll be continuing the Bandit series. So in the last level we were somewhere near, okay shit. The last level we were in the 6th level, I think. So yeah. Okay, wait, give me a minute, I'll just log in to the 6th level. Okay then, now that we've logged in, now we'll see what is written. Password of the next level is stored somewhere on the server and has all of the following properties: owned by user Bandit 7, group Bandit 6, and 33 bytes in size. So now, if you can see, it is in the Bandit 6. We have to search it all over the server. So we have to go backwards, right? And here we have to search for all over the server, right? So a user who is called Bandit 7 and a group is called Bandit 6, and the size of it is presumably 33 cc, and okay, it will be right somewhere here. Come on. Okay, okay, here it is. It's here, right? It's this one. Okay, I'll just try to copy this and okay, does that work? Yes, it works. Woohoo! I am the Omega. And now it is on to the next. Just save this password because I want to do that. Bandit 6 7. Yeah, and now we go on to the next level, right? So yeah, Bandit level 7 to 8. Password of the next level is stored in the file data.next next to the word millionth. Ooh, saucy. Okay, now let's just log into that level. Thank you. Okay, let's see. So it is stored in the file data.next next to the word millionth. So first step is always ls. There's this file. Now I think there are a lot of lines in this. Okay. There is a lot of lines in this. Okay. So okay. The command which should be used now is grep. I'll tell you what grep is. Man, grep. Grep searches for patterns in each file. So if you search for a particular word in a sentence, it'll print out the whole sentence, right? Okay, or a line. If you search for a word in a line, it'll print out the whole line. If it is there, that is if the word is there in that line. So yeah. So I think we just have to do something called piping, which is executing two commands at once. So cat data.txt. This is one command, right? Then this is piping. And now the other command would be grep, and the word we have to search is millionth. So sorry, my English is bad. And that is the password, yo. And again, I am the Omega. And that's it. Okay. Hopefully cocky Alok doesn't go away. That sounds little sus, but anyway, let's do this, huh? So on to the next level, and let's just paste that password in, and that is it. Now let's go on to the next level, so level 8 to 9. The password of the next level is stored in the file data.txt and is the only line of text that occurs only once. Obviously the first step is ls again, Now I will be smart and not do the thing I did last time, which is doing cat data.txt, or else like too much stuff will come onto my screen. Yeah. So yeah, the command we can use is grep. I don't know if we can use grep for that. I think we can try unique because it occurs only once. So maybe we have to use unique. So how do we use unique? Man unique. Okay. Okay, minus C. 1 I guess we can do. Cat data.txt unique minus C. Okay, cat data.txt unique minus C. Okay. Bro, so many lines occurs on. It occurs only once. So there are so many lines of text which occur so many times. Okay, wow. That is little hurtful. Okay, wow. Oh my god. Okay. So that is not it. Okay, wait. I think there is something in that only. 100% sure it's something in that. Okay, it is minus u. Okay, wait, cat data.txt unique minus u. It's not that. Okay, it's 100% not that. So okay, it is not that for sure. Then what could it be, da? What is this madness? Madness, fam, madness. Okay, what can it be? Unique does not detect repeated lines unless they are adjacent. You may want to sort the input first or use sort minus u without unique. Okay. Okay. So I have to sort it first. Okay. Sort minus u cat data.txt sort minus u. Okay, wait. Okay, we'll get this, guys. We'll get this. Man sort. Okay. Cat data.txt sort r.txt and do that. Okay. Start data.txt. Okay, it sorted. Now cat data.txt unique. No, that did not work. Okay, is it sorted though? I think it is not. Cat data.txt sort. Okay, now it is sorted. Let's just create a temporary file. Can we? We cannot. And how would you do it? Yeah, I'm not getting it. Okay. Cannot do that. But I just find the unique data in this. I sorted it out first. Then can I? No, that does not work. How to find a unique line in a sorted text. Okay, unique minus unique minus u data.txt. Great. That is not working for me, is it? Yeah, that's what. Cat file sort unique minus u. I don't have to do this, huh? Yo! Oh my god. Oh god, I'm not the omega at all. Fuck. Okay. That's good. So that did not work because it was sorting it through the whole. It was sorting out everything in the text file. Right? Yeah. My god. Jesus. Fuck. Okay. Anyway. So I think that is the password, hopefully. Okay, I'll just do exit. And now let's try to the next level. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, let's do ls first. Okay, let's take a minute. Okay. So the next level. password next level is stored in the file data. It is one of the few human readable strings. Okay, this is one of the few preceded by several is equal to characters. Grep, suit, unique. Okay, so we have to use strings because it's given human readable strings. Okay, add data.txt strings. Aha! Oh damn, I am the Omega. Okay, so again, back to it. It was too easy, guys. Too easy. Okay, so SSH. Okay, doing that. Okay, I can do this. I got this, guys. Okay, so yeah, so on to the next level now. So yeah, now again, the password to the next level is stored in a file called data.txt, which contains base 64 encoded data. Okay, fine. And this will do. It has base 64 encoded data. Okay, let's see. 64 man base 64. Okay, base 64. Okay, so it's basically encoded in a particular type of encryption. So you have to decode it to ASCII text. So yeah, -D decode the data. Okay, base 64 option 5. So it would work like base 64 -D data.txt. It's easy. Okay, let's just click on this for now. Let's see what it is. Base 64 is a group of binary text encoding schemes that represent binary data. Okay, yeah, fine. The general strategy is to choose 64 characters that are common to most encodings and that are also printable. Okay, it doesn't matter, it's just some kind of encoding that I already decoded. But yeah, okay, so basically that's how it works. Okay, that is the password, no? So, that was easy. So now let's go on to the next level again. You know what, let's just stop here. In the next video we'll go from level 11 to hopefully around level 15 or 16, and that was actually very fun because I am the Omega. So yeah, I will see you in the next video. So bye bye.